Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, in last class we have discussed the topic numerals from 300 to 400. Okay, now in this class we are going to discuss the topic 400 to 500 numbers. Okay, understood? Numerals means numbers. So now all of you take your textbook. Take your textbook, page number 17. Page number 17. In page number 17, this is your textbook, page number 17. Okay. So now here first bit, they are given like this. Okay. Write numerals from 401 to 500. Okay. So now here boxes given, no. So now in these boxes, they are given numbers. Okay. And some boxes are empty. So now I am writing here in board total 400 to 500 numbers. So whatever numbers not given, you can write with a pencil in your textbook. Okay. Okay. Write your text work with a pencil only. Don't use the pen. Okay. Understood all of you? Now take your textbook and take your pencil. Take your pencil and write down. Okay. Here start with 401. Okay, 401. And next 402. Okay, and 403. Already 403 given in your textbook. 403 don't write. Okay, you can write 401 and 402 and 403. And next number 404. And next number 405. And next number 406. Okay. And next number 407. And next number 408. And next 409. And next number 410. Okay, understood all of you? 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409 and last 410. Okay. So first line over. Next go to the second line. Okay. Here start with 411. Next 412. And next 413. And next number 414. Next number 415. While writing a numbers, you can read and write. Okay. 411, 412, 413, 414, 415. And next 416, 417. And next number 418. And next number 419. And next number 420. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, 420. And next, listen, these are the 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409 and 410. Okay, these are the numbers from 401 to 410. And next here 411. Start with here 411. 411 and next 412. 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420. Okay. So next here start with 421. Next 422. Okay. Next here 423. And next number 424. And next number 425. Okay. And next number 426. Next number 427. And next number 428. And next number 429. And 430. So this is the third line. Okay. So 421, 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, 428, 429, and next 430. And here start with 431. Okay. And next 432. And next 433. And next number 434. Next number 435. Next 436. Next number 437. And next number 438. Next number 439. Next 440. Okay, 440. Okay, 431, 432, 433, 434, 435, 436, 437, 438, 439, 440. Okay, next one 441, 442, 443, 444. Okay, 441, 442, 443, 444, and next 445, next 446, and next 447, and next 448. Next number 449. Next 450. Okay, these are the numbers from 441 to 450. 441, 442, 443, 444, 445, 446, 447, 448, 449, 450, and next here 451, and next number 452, and next number 453, and next number 454, next number 455, next number 456, next number 457, next 458, and next number 459, and next 460. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, these are the numbers 400 from 451 to 460. Okay, now I'm going to write in here 461. Okay, next number 462 and next number 463 and next number 464 and next number 465 and next 466 and next number 467 and next number 468 and next number 469, next 470. Okay, so these are the numbers from 461 to 470. Okay, 461, 462, 463, 464, 465, 466, 467, 468, 469, 470. Okay. Now here start with 471. Okay. Next 472. Okay. Next 473. Okay. Next number 474. Next 475. Okay. Next number 476. Next number 477. And next number 478. And next number 479. Next 480. Okay. So these are the numbers from 471 to 480. What are the numbers? 471, 472, 473, 474, 475, 476, 477, 478, 479, 480. Okay, these are the numbers from 471 to 480. 471, 472, 473, 474, 475, 476, 477, 477, 478, 479, 480. And next number start with here 481. Next number 482. And next number 483. Okay. And next number 484. And next number 485. Here 486. Okay. And next number 487. Next number 488. And next number 489. Next number 490. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, these are the numbers from 481 to 490. What are the numbers? 481, 482, 483, 484, 485, 486, 487, 488, 489 and 490. Next here start with 491. Here 492. Okay, and next 493. Next 494. Okay, next 495. And next number 496. And next number 497. And next 498. And next number 499. And next 500. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, these are the numbers from 491 to 500. Okay, so now how do we read these numbers? 491, 492, 493, 494, 495, 496, 497, 498, 499, 500. Okay, understood all of you? Note down it. These are numbers in your textbook. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, these are the numbers from 401 to 500. Okay, so finished all of you? Okay, so now take your textbook all of you. Okay, here first box over. Next here they given here write numerals from 501 to 600. And next they are given, okay, here given like this, second box, and this is a third box. So these two boxes means second and third boxes you can write your own. Okay, understood? Likewise, here already I have written 401 to 500 numbers. Likewise, you can write numerals from 501 to 600. Okay, here already numbers given. So here given numbers you don't write, but remaining boxes, empty boxes is there here. In that you can fill the boxes. Okay, understood? So which are the homeworks for you? Okay, write numerals from 501 to 600, and another one is write numerals from 601 to 700. Okay, so this total page you can write your own and then send it to your concerned class teacher, okay, or concern your subject teacher. Okay, understood all of you? So likewise you can write remaining 500 to 600 and 600 to 700. Okay, you can write with a pencil. Okay, next class we will meet again another topic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.